Hola Miss Amorous, welcome back to my channel, beautiful ladies. I am Kanika Khosla and today we're gonna do something very exciting. Whether you're going out or you just want a little pop of makeup for the everyday look, then let's get it started.
Before we dive into makeup, we always want to prep our skin.
I'm using Neutrogena because it gives a soft and dewy finish.
Just apply a thin layer all over and don't forget the neck, especially with those glowing selfies we love to take. I'm using a pore primer to make sure we get that flawless base. Next, we are going to brighten up the under eyes with a creamy concealer. Let's blend it now. It gives a highlighted effect. Brows, of course, are everything. I'm filling in my brows, making sure they are defined but not too harsh, soft and natural brows. For the eyes, I'm going for a warm, bronzy look that brings out the richness of our Latina complexion. I'm first going in with a neutral base shade all over the lid and then layering a warm gold on the center of my eyelid for that pop-up of shimmer. Next up, eyeliner. I love a little wing, especially for the Latina eyes. This gives them a beautiful almond shape. Remember to keep the line as close to the lash line as possible for that clean look. Next, we are going to brighten up the under eyes with a creamy concealer. This one really helps cancel out the dark circles while still giving me the highlighted effect. Let's also add a little highlight down the nose and chin. Blend, blend, blend until it's smooth. Now for the foundation, I am using Fenty Beauty, which is perfect for Latina skin tones. Super full coverage, but it still feels lightweight. Make sure you blend well into the jawline and neck because we want everything to look seamless. Now let's put on some lashes for the glam look. And of course, no look is complete without mascara. Now let's add some warmth and dimension to the face. I'm using a bronzer to give me that sun-kissed glow. Make sure to blend into the temples and jawline. Blend, blend and blend. Let's prepare the lower lash line. Let's add a pop of blush. This one is from Tarte. It has a perfect rosy tone that works beautifully for Latina skin. And of course, we can't forget about highlighter. Highlight on the cheekbones, down the nose and a little on the cupid bow. I'm using lip liner to define my lips. And now I'm applying my favorite lip color. Let's add some extra shine using the gloss. Yeah, chicas, you have it. A beautiful glowing Latina look that is perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to give like, thumbs up and comment below if you try this look and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Hasta la promixa, Miss Amorous. See you guys soon in our next video. Bye.